Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at using templates for Google Docs. This is a tricky spot to find them, and so they're often overlooked, but they're very handy. So in your Google Drive, you'll need to navigate yourself to the Google Doc main page. You won't be able to access it through just a regular Google Doc. So you'll have to go to your Omnibox and click on Docs and get to your homepage that way. Through there, you will find at the top some templates to pick from. Now, there's only a few here. What you'll want to do is navigate your way to the template gallery. Now, there's certain ones that are just our district, but there's only one template in there. So you'll want to switch it to general, and then you can sort through all of the different categories and look for the template that best fits your project idea. So if you have a lab report, this is a lab report template, a cell report, and you can kind of scroll back through everything. Book reports are down here. Ninth grade biology, math, first period. You can look through the different letters. There's four or five different letters. Resumes, you can write your resume. Personal, here's a pet name one that I always liked to see. And more. There's just a bunch that you can pick from. Meeting notes, company head, newsletter, brochures. Always love making a brochure. Training proposals, sales quotes, just anything you can think of. Privacy policies, terms of use, software licensing. Not that you'll be writing those, but you may find a template that is the perfect thing for you. So I'm just going to pick one of these newsletter ones, or a brochure. I'm going to open that brochure up, and this is going to take me to my Google Doc with my template already preloaded. You notice it has the graphics added, and then everything is just fillable. So you'll highlight the fields and fill in your own information. Add your own address, your phone number, the date, and then you can start deleting this text and add in your own text in. You notice it's all in Latin. So that tells you, if it's in Latin, that it's text that you're supposed to replace. See, this is also in Latin, so you're supposed to replace these headers. You can also come in here and click and get rid of these graphics if you don't like them, or you can move them around. You should be able to move them to the opposite side of the page. So you do have some editing ability, but like the bottom artwork is locked in place and you won't be able to do much with that. So that's it. This is a quick little video, and now you know where to find your templates if you should ever need them for your schoolwork. All right, thanks for watching and have a nice day.